You created an LLC, you got your EIN, you even opened a business bank account, but you still get denied for business credit. It's because of one tiny mistake almost everyone makes. And today, I'm going to show you what it is and how you can fix it in literally less than 2 minutes. So, did you know that over 70% of small businesses get rejected for business credit cards? Do you know why? Guys, this is serious. Just last week, I had a pizza shop owner watch this video, go implement it, and he went from 0 credit to getting funded for $45,000 in business cash advance. Guys, this stuff works. But if you're new here, make sure to smash that subscribe button. We post 2 brand new videos about business credit, funding, and banking every single week. Because they don't know this secret checklist that will beat the bots and get you instant approvals. Also, this video is going to go way faster than my normal videos, so I expect you to watch it, implement it, and come back and leave me a comment with how much money you got approved for. Deal. Okay, let's jump right into it. Number 1, the silent rejection trigger. Now listen carefully. This is the number. One reason business owners get rejected instantly and without a human even looking at their application. It's your business address. Now, if your state filing says Suite 200 and your application says Saint 200, IT's over. A computer sees that tiny difference and flags your business as a fake. It doesn't care how much money you have, how good your credit is. Game over. Now there are 2 major problems here. Problem number 1. Almost everyone does this and it gets them rejected. But problem number 2 is way worse. See, when you do this, banks put a note on your file and they tell humans to reject you automatically. That's right. Every time you submit a new application, a human has to physically look past all the notes that say reject automatically just to look at your application. If they find anything at all wrong, you're done. It goes straight to the trash. Now you might be wondering, is there a way to get around this? Of course there is. And I'm gonna show you step by step how to fix this in literally less than 2 minutes. But first, I need to show you something crazy. Number 2, why 87% of new LLCs blow this check. Here's some scary statistics. Over 87% of you watching this right now are making this exact mistake. And when you combine this mistake with the silent trigger, you are getting denied left and center. See, you want to get approved for tons of credit. You go out there, you file your LLC, you feel great, you open a bank account, you're excited. But then life happens. You get a new office, you upgrade, you start crushing it, you update everything. Well, almost everything. See, most people completely forget about updating one thing that actually matters, your official state filing. Most states it's free and takes less than 10 minutes. But here's where you run into trouble. When you don't update that document, any future applications you fill out, they're going to check that original file because it's free and instant. If your apartment is on file, but you list a fancy office, you are getting denied. It is that simple. I have 2 choices here. You can either watch the next 2 minutes and learn how to fix this mistake, or you can continue making the same mistake and watch your business credit suffer for months or years. If you want results, if you want approvals, if you want to grow your business, you need to fix this mistake. Let's keep going. Number 3, the 2-minute correction. It's time to get started, and I'm going to show you how to fix this faster than it takes to make popcorn. You're going to go to your state's official website. Now, I'm not going to tell you which website because there are 50 different websites, but simply Google your state plus Articles of Organization Amendment, or your state plus LLC name change. Now the first link should be the official government website, and that S, the one you want to use. Next, you're going to scroll down until you find a section that says How To. Now you're going to follow the instructions. This part might take 1 minute, and it should only take you 2 minutes total. You'll need your business name, your EIN, the reason you're filing, and your new address. Then once you hit submit, you'll get a confirmation page. You want to download that confirmation and save it somewhere safe. Next, we're going to send that file to the credit bureaus. Remember when I told you about the silent trigger? Getting around it is simple. You just need to get that corrected document into the hands of the credit bureaus. And guys, this is super important. You need to send them a copy of that amended filing so that they can remove that old address and replace it with the new one. Now I know you're probably thinking, Jason, I don't know how to do that. That's why I created something for you. Click the link below this video and you can immediately grab access to my business update checklist. This checklist is going to show you exactly who to contact. what documents to send, and how to make sure that error gets fixed instantly. Now, this is optional, but if you want to speed up the process, I highly recommend you pay the extra $5 to get it done instantly instead of waiting 3 to 5 days. Once you do that, you're going to repeat this for any other business entity you own. Get that updated with the state. Download the confirmation, send it to the credit bureaus, then double-check those spots I'm about to share with you. Number 4, double-check the trickle-down spots. Now that you've made the correction, you want to do these 2 things before you submit your next application. First, you want to go to Google Business and make sure that your address matches perfectly everywhere. Make sure you remove the old listing and add the new one. Second, you need to double-check every single directory, every single place that your business name or address is published. And guys, this is super important. The address has to be a 100% perfect match everywhere. I'm talking every single comma, every single period. If you do this correctly, you have fixed the silent trigger. You have removed the notes from your file, and you will get approved for more business credit. Number 5, what if you need cash this week? Look, I get it. You can't wait 3 to 5 days. You need money right now. Well, I got 2 words for you. Just use the old address on the application. Even if it's your bedroom, get the money first, then fix the paperwork later. An approved credit card today is infinitely better than a perfect application that's stuck in limbo. Number 6, the bonus landmines. And I'm giving you 3 more secrets the banks don't want you to know. 1, get a real business phone number, not your cell phone. 2, certain business codes get you auto-denied, so you have to check yours. 3, don't apply for 100 cards in one day. They'll think you're desperate and reject all of them. Don't do it. Number 7, real numbers, real results. Listen, this works. One of our subscribers, a bakery owner, only fixed her address. 2 weeks later, boom, a $7,500 credit card and another credit line. She got thousands and thousands of dollars in credit just from fixing one tiny mistake. Listen, the number one thing that's killing your approvals isn't your revenue or your credit score. It's a tiny typo. Fix your address, make everything match, and watch the approvals roll in. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button and share so that the video can get to more people it can help. Leave me a comment below and let me know how much money you got approved for after implementing this strategy. If you're still hungry for more, I just uploaded a brand new video with 4 strategies to improve your business credit score instantly. So check that out, and I'll see you in the next video.